Hi everyone, today we'll be making salmon sour soup. First, what you need to do is fill your pot with 3 quarts of water and let it boil. So the ingredient you will need is a handful of lemongrass, 4 pieces of kaffir lime leaf, 4 cloves of garlic, 3 pieces of galanga, some Thai basil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of chicken powder, and 1 tablespoon of tamarind powder. You will need about 3 pounds of salmon and about 2 tablespoons of lime juice. And 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Once the water is boiled, place the lemongrass into the water and the kaffir lime leaf, the galanga, and the garlic. Now close the top and let it boil for about 5 to 6 minutes to get all the flavor out. After 5 minutes, take the lid out and this is what the soup would look like. Now remove the lemongrass and remove the kaffir lime leaf. Now place your salmon into the pot. Now close the lid and let the fish cook. It's been boiling for about 6 or 7 minutes. Now our fish is cooked. Next, you need to add the fish sauce. Stir it a bit. Add in the lime juice. And the Thai basil. Now our soup is done. And it's time to serve. Once you fill your bowl with the soup, garnish it with Thai basil. Now your soup is ready. Enjoy!